Hey YouTubers, welcome to another episode of VGL Tech, where I review all things crowdfunding, either Kickstarter, Indiegogo, or any other sites I can get my hands on technology, future technology in general, either cell phone, suitcases, backpacks, power banks, you name it, headphones. I try to get my hands on all of them, and I do reviews for you guys to watch and possibly enjoy. Um, I got this bag, this box actually, and I actually do not know what it is. So this is a first time opening it. Once I open it, of course, I'm going to put it in the title what it is. But reviewing this for the first time, I use my trusty knife again. Oh, okay. Now I know what this is. This is the Kickstarter headphones that I crowdfunded a couple years actually back, and they finally came. This is the Kokoon relax headphones. These are the headphones that you should be able to sleep with and play relaxing music through the apps. And it's supposed to be really soft to wear. And for me, this will be a plus because I do have a hard time sleeping, and that's why I had purchased these. And also I have problems where this earphone sits on my ears too long. They start getting all red and irritated, and this is supposed to cup the ear. And it's supposed to be really soft. Like I said, I purchased this 2 years ago, I think, and a lot of people also purchased it. I didn't think I was going to get this actually, and a lot of people didn't think they were going to get it, but it looks like it finally came, as you can see here, the welcome box. It's a welcome card. Kokoon, I think I'm spelling that right. There's a get started, there's a relax app. It has relaxing audio in classes. Also help you go to sleep. You can travel with this. It's a thank you for the early adopters. And also they also have a personal discount code. And here we have nice box. Very nice box. And as you can see here, this is the launch edition, which is because I was a backer. Let's open this up. Okay, there you have it. Open this. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's a magnetic. I think it's a magnetic box. Nice, very nice. Here's the headphones itself. And here's a manual on how to use the phone, how to charge it. They do have batteries in them, so you do wireless. You can use them to wireless. As you can see here, you have audio connectors, power button, EEG sensors, USB connectors, action button, and you have the app which does white noise, audio library, guided audio classes. It's on iOS and Android, and then shows you how to get started, how to connect your phones up, and also have active noise cancellation. It's adjustable, has an LED indicator, shows you different colors to see how much batteries you have left. It shows you how to sleep with the headphones on, which was a big plus for me. So this is also a quick start guide, as you can see here. Shows you the steps one, charging, also disconnecting the headphones, and then you hold down the power and then connect it with Bluetooth and download the app. It says to begin your journey, and here you see the website where you can pre-order. I believe it's still in the pre-order. They have not fulfilled all the Kickstarter / Indiegogo orders yet. As you can see here, very nice. Came with a very nice sleep mask, Kokoon. And here's the headphones. Let's see what we have in here. This is the cable. Very nice. Micro USB cable. Then you have the, this is the audio cable. This might be a mute button. Right here. And then here you have the headphones. As you can see here, left. And then you have the right. I guess these are the sensors, the EEG sensors. But nice weight to them overall, very soft. And I like these earmuffs because they don't sit on top of my ear, they cup my ear. And all around is just very soft, very nice, very well built. I am glad I made a purchase of these headphones. As you can see, this part is soft too. I haven't tried these out yet, so I will try these out and leave comments with and updates. As you can see here, this is where the 3.5mm headphone jack, power button, action button, and charging USB. It can expand, and these twists right here to fold down. Very nice. We'll use this a lot when I travel. So very nice. Sit back in there. Put this right here. And put this right here. And there you have it. This is the Kokoon Relax Launch Edition headphones. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I will put an update once I test these out. Hopefully these are as soft as or as comfortable and or also as reliable as they make it out to be, because I did wait a couple years for them. So there you have it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe. I will have more stuff coming as I wait for them to ship me some more projects. So it's gonna be an exciting year this year. Thanks everybody. Have a good day. Bye.